In this section, you will learn the indications of smoke in the equipment cooling system. You will also learn how to configure the system to clear smoke. When smoke particles are detected in the equipment cooling supply ducts, the equipment cooling smoke light comes on and an ICAS advisory message appears. Take the correct action to exhaust the smoke from the system. Correct. Selecting Override positions the air conditioning manifold valve to provide conditioned air for equipment cooling. It opens the smoke override valve and turns off the fans. Differential pressure reverses the airflow and exhausts the air overboard. The smoke light and the ICAS advisory message go off when smoke is no longer detected. You have completed this section. Touch Advance to return to the menu.